Hi friends, please subscribe my channel for technical training and placement related videos. And if you want more updates on my videos, please click on bell icon. Thank you for subscribing.
Hi friends, welcome to Elevate Training Solutions. Capgemini introduced a new challenge, Capgemini Tech Challenge 2020. So last 3 years onwards, they are conducting the same challenge and they are offering jobs also. And also you have a various kinds of prizes, cash prizes, right? So last year, the same contest is happened. And the last time some of the students got the job offers as well as here. It is not only for the students, it is also for the experienced faculty and industry people also participate in this Capgemini Tech Challenge. That is the difference between the code with and the remaining challenges. This challenge is different. So here you may compete with the industry persons also, but you have a more edge comparing with the industry persons, right? So when you observe this challenge, various kind of technologies are involved. Normally, if you consider that Code Vita or any other competitions, they are going to concentrate only the coding. But here, have a various kinds of technology and domains are involved. So we'll see all the domains, and most of the people are confusing on that. So which domain you need to select and which is the easiest domain, and those are the questions we're going to clarify today. Okay, so already the registrations are open. The last date, I mean, here the test is the competition is 3 rounds, right? First, see that the various kinds of levels. The entry, I mean, registration is starts from the October 16th, October 16th to it continue until November 13th, right? So here the competition is the parallel is going on the test also. No need to wait for until the last date or anyone. So see, the level one starts already now October 16th to November 13th. You can take any time, any time. Have a 2 attempts. Remember, you have 2 attempts. You need to qualify that round. After that, you will get a chance for the next round. Okay. After that, the next round is starts from October 23rd only. So the parallelly, if you complete that first round, so by default you move to the next round if you qualify the first round. So to qualify that round, you require the minimum 40% of the score. But don't stick on the minimum 40%. If you have a more score, then you have a more chance to get into the next rounds. Okay, final round. So grand finale. Remember the grand finale, the level 3 is only allow for the top students and top people who clear the all the rounds with the top scores. Top scores. This is a very important. But if you want to from level 1 to level 2, it is easy. But level 2 to level 3, you require the cumulative of the more score. That is why, so we have to score the maximum score. Try to score maximum. Then only it is a chance to get into the level 3. So it is not any benefit from the level 1 to level 2. Only if you go for the level 2 to level 3, I mean, if you the combination of the level 1 and level 2, the scores based on they will select for the level 3. The people who reach the level 3, they have a more preference and they have some interview level interview also, I mean interview offers also they'll get it, right? And if you consider this is the round is happened from the November 30 to December 11th, in between 60 mm. So it's purely virtual. So last year is on site. Last year it was happened at the Pune. So this year they are going to connect through virtual only due to the COVID pandemic, right? So here, this is the various technologies they are going to offer. My suggestion is, if you are good at the new technologies, you go for it. Otherwise, you can choose your own technology. Because, for example, if you consider penetration testing, see, so very few people are opted the penetration testing, right? As well as what is that? Salesforce, Pega, all these are the new technologies and specified domains. So very few people are there. For example, if you take this Java full stack, most of the people opted for the Java full stack. Means is a totally coding, like so it is involved in the web-based development and SQL servers. All the things are involved in the Java full stack. And coming to the Adobe AEM, so Adobe Experience Management. Experience Manager means who are creating the documents and the documentation very well, right? So for the project related documents and everything. This comes under the AEM. This is the software, right? So AWS, Amazon Web Services, right? So next Azure, Microsoft Azure. These two are the cloud technologies. These two are the cloud technologies. If you are good at, we'll just take it. Otherwise, if you don't have any knowledge, don't go for the specialized technology. If you have a knowledge, at least 50% knowledge, then you go for it, because you have more edge in the specialized technologies. You have more edge in the specialized technologies. That is very important. So my suggestion is you go for the specialized technologies. At least you have 50% of the knowledge. Otherwise, you go for the known technologies. Now, technologies. See, this is the after registration. So you need to select the skill area and your experience. Suppose if you are experienced, then you go for the experience. Otherwise, if you are fresher or you're already studying student, you have options are there. If you are a student, then you go for that. There is no experience, right? Simply just fill all the details and you just go it. So this is the page will appear after registration. See the round 1 and round 2, round 3. So after clearing the round 1, this will open for the after clearing the first round. And after that, if you qualify the round 1 and round 2, then those people are eligible for the round 3. Right? So you have 2 attempts, right? You have 2 attempts. You need to clear the round 1 at least minimum 2 attempts. Otherwise, you don't have a chance to get into the next round. Already most of the people already took the test, right? So highest score, recent score. So they are going to take the highest score only. No need to worry on the recent score. Even if you have completed the first round, you'll get the minimum 50 marks. Suppose 50% you'll got it. You try it for the next time. At least you try to improve your score, right? If you have more score, you have more chance to get into the third round, right? Okay. So all the best. If you have any doubts, you just comment on my video. Definitely I help you on your question. Okay. And my request is please join in my Elevate Training Solutions Telegram channel. It is very helpful to share all the information regarding this. So now you are getting the information through some other resources, other channels, right? So when you join in the Telegram channel, then you'll get the information directly. Okay. So all the links, registration link as well as my channel link is both are providing in the description. Okay. Please find those things. Okay. Thank you. All the best.
Hi friends, please subscribe my channel for technical training and placement related videos. And if you want more updates on my videos, please click on bell icon. Thank you for subscribing.